Rover Scan is. So it's basically a really responsive web application that's able to take in scan input. So I'm just showing you that there's a couple of different devices of views that I could show. So this is like an iPhone view. This would be Samsung. And basically, you're just able to see all of our current applications and scan. So we have inventory check, transfer, we have a parts checkout, start job, end job, scan, pick, pack shipments.
Yeah.
I could start, like, let me make this a little bit bigger. I can start with the inventory check. So this is basically something you just be scanning in part numbers, and it's giving you the location, if you have any bins, and the total on hand. It's also giving you a description of the part and then the unit of measure. And then I'm picking parts with shorter names, but this is able to hit our system and bring back any part. Yeah, so that's a nice segue into the transfer menu. So you're able to type in your part number here, brings up description, the unit of measure. You could have update the quantity you want to move, and then from location. You go from stock to finished goods. And then you could have a note as well. And then you also have the option if location is bin or lock controlled to type in those values as well. No, it's all good with me. So some of the other ones we have are start job and end job. So you're able to type or scan in an employee ID, and I have one. I have a start time at 8, so currently I'm not able to do anything beyond. I can't actually finish the job, but I can type in a work order function and 1, 2, 9, 5. And then I can type in an operation for that work order. And then it's basically time stamping when I'm starting this job, and then the end job would stamp when that job is complete. This one's a fairly simple scan application. It looks almost identical. And the only difference is when you hit end job, it's performing the action to actually finish the work order. Okay. So similar to this, the pick and pack, this is scanning a shipment. So you would type in a to location, the ship number, and if there was a from location and from bin, and then you're basically scanning in parts and the balance of quantity for those parts, or just the quantity for those parts. But it will tell you the balance for that part. So we have, these are essentially the same, but they just refer to the pick shipment, pack shipment. There's not much difference between these.